Welcome to GK at Tamosri. Which is the largest continent by area? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. North America, D. Antarctica. B. Asia is the largest continent by area, which covers approximately 44.58 million square kilometers and accounts for about 30% of Earth's total land area. Which country has longest coastline in the world? A. Australia, B. Russia, C. Canada, D. USA. C. Canada has the longest coastline in the world with approximately 202,080 kilometers of shoreline that touch the Atlantic, Pacific and Arctic Oceans. Its exclusive coastline is marked by diverse features like cliffs, bays and icy waters. Which continent has most countries? A. Asia, B. Europe, C. Africa, D. South America. C. Africa. There are currently 195 countries in the world. Africa has most countries with 54 independent nations. It followed by Asia with 48 countries and Europe with 44 countries. Which of the following countries is landlocked? A. Peru, B. Mongolia, C. Vietnam, D. Norway. B. Mongolia. A country is landlocked if it has no direct access to an ocean or sea and entirely surrounded by land, or it is bordered by other landlocked countries. The 12 landlocked countries in Asia are Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bhutan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Mongolia, Nepal, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic, B. Indian, C. Arctic, D. Pacific. D. Pacific. The largest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and deepest earth ocean, covering approximately 165.25 million square kilometers. The Nile River flows into which sea? A. Red Sea, B. Mediterranean Sea, C. Arabian Sea, D. Black Sea. B. Mediterranean Sea. The Nile River drains into a Mediterranean Sea, emptying into through its delta in northern Egypt. The river flows north through northeastern Africa before it reaches the mouth in Mediterranean. Which river is longest in South America? A. Amazon, B. Nile, C. Orinoco, D. São Francisco. A. Amazon. It originates in Andes mountain of Peru and flows eastward through several countries including Peru, Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador and Brazil before emptying into Atlantic Ocean. Lake of Victoria is located in which region? A. Southern Africa, B. Central Asia, C. Eastern Africa, D. Western Europe. C. East Africa. Lake Victoria is located in East Africa and it's bordered by three countries: Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. It is the largest lake in Africa and world's second largest freshwater lake by surface area. Which states connect the Atlantic Ocean to Mediterranean Sea? A. Bering Straits, B. Strait of Gibraltar, C. Hormuz Strait, D. Bosporus Strait. B. Strait of Gibraltar connects the Mediterranean Sea to Atlantic Ocean. This narrow waterway separates the European continent from the African continent, is a strategically vital passageway for global maritime traffic. Which is the highest mountain in the world? A. K2, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, C. Mount Everest, D. Mount Elbrus. C. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, measured by its highest point above global sea level. Located in Himalayas on the border of China and Nepal, its official elevation is 8,848.86 meters. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? A. Kenya, B. Uganda, C. Ethiopia, D. Tanzania. D. Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in the country of Tanzania, is northeastern Africa. It is the height peak on the African continent and consists of 3 volcanic cones, Kibo, Mawenzee and Shira. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? A. Himalayas, B. Urals, C. Andes, D. Alps. B. Urals. The Urals mountain from traditional boundary separates the continents of Europe and Asia. This mountain range stretches approximately 2,500 kilometers north to south through western Russia, existing from the Kara Sea to the Ural River in the south. The Andes mountain are located in which continent? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. South America, D. Europe. C. South America. This extensive mountain range stretches along the continent's western coast, passing through several countries including Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile and Argentina. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto, B. Vancouver, C. Ottawa, D. Montreal. C. Ottawa is a home to Parliament Hill, the Supreme Court of Canada and the National Gallery of Canada. Queen Victoria chose Ottawa as the capital in 1857 because it was a defendable location on border between two major provinces at the time. The Alps are located in which region? A. North America, B. Europe, C. Asia, D. Oceania. B. Europe. The Alps are located in south-central Europe, forming sun-shaped mountain range across 8 alpine countries or France, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, Liechtenstein, Germany, Australia and Slovenia. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? A. Gobi, B. Sahara, C. Kalahari, D. Sonoran. B. Sahara is the largest hot desert in the world, is located in northern Africa. It covers approximately 9.2 million square kilometers and it's characterized by hot, dry condition. Through it also contains large sandy areas, gravel plains and rocky plateaus. The Sahara is the world's third largest desert overall, all over the polar desert of Antarctica and Arctic. The Amazon rainforest is primarily located in which country? A. Brazil, B. Peru, B. Colombia, C. Bolivia. A. Brazil. The Amazon rainforest is primarily located in Brazil, which contains approximately 60% of the forest. While Brazil holds the largest portion, Amazon also spans across 8 other South American countries or Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname and French Guiana. Which desert is located in Mongolia and China? A. Gobi, B. Atacama, C. Sahara, D. Patagonian. A. Gobi Desert Basin lies across southern Mongolia and northwest China between Mongolian Altai and Khangai Mountains in the Himalayan Plateau. This region is cold desert with a continental climate and long cold winters. Which country has the most volcanoes? A. Indonesia, B. Japan, C. USA, D. Italy. C. USA. The United States has the highest number of total Holocene volcanoes, primarily located in Alaska, Hawaii, and Pacific Northwest. However, Indonesia has the most active volcanoes and it's considered have high risk of deadly eruptions, largely due to the position of the Pacific Ring of Fire. What is the deepest point in the world's ocean? A. Mariana Trench, B. Tonga Trench, C. Puerto Rico Trench, D. Sunda Trench. A. Mariana Trench is the deepest point in the world's ocean, is the Challenger Deep located in Western Pacific Ocean with the maximum depth of approximately 10,984 meters. Which city is known as the City of Canals? A. Amsterdam, B. Venice, C. Bangkok, D. Bruges. B. Venice in Italy. Venice is built on the network of small islands and feature canal instead of roads, with water taxis and gondolas serving as the primary means of transportation. Which capital city is located on two continents? A. Cairo. B. Ankara. C. Istanbul. D. Tbilisi. B. Istanbul is a large city located on two continents, Europe and Asia. The Bosphorus Strait divides the city into European and Asian parts. It is the capital of Australia. A. Sydney. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. D. Perth. B. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Canberra serves as the federal capital and houses Australia's parliament, national museums and cultural landmarks. Which country has two capital cities, Pretoria and Cape Town? A. Nigeria. B. South Africa. C. Kenya. D. Egypt. B. South Africa is the country with the two capital cities, with Pretoria serving as the administrative capital, Cape Town as the legislative capital, and Bloemfontein as the judicial capital. Which continent lies on the both equator and prime meridian? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. North America. D. Europe. B. Africa can be described as only continent that has its land crossed by both the prime meridian and the equator. Interestingly, the equator divides Africa into almost two halves. It passes through Gabon, São Tomé, Uganda, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, Ecuador and Somalia. Which is the largest island in the world? A. Greenland. B. Australia. C. Borneo. D. New Guinea. A. Greenland is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark with the area of approximately 21,66,086 square kilometers. Which country is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes? A. Norway. B. Canada. C. Finland. D. Sweden. C. Finland is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes due to its extremely high density of lakes, which cover about 10% of its total area, while the exact number of lakes is closer to 1,88,000. Which river flows through Paris? A. Seine. B. Danube. C. Thames. D. Rhine. A. Seine, the river that flows through Paris. This major waterway passes through the heart of the city, dividing into the commercial right bank and cultural left bank. Which is the only continent without desert? A. Europe. B. Asia. C. Africa. D. South America. A. Europe is only continent without desert. Factors such as maritime climate influenced by Atlantic Ocean and regional topography prevent the formation of vast desert landscape in Europe. Answer for last video was Bharati. Apedia recently launched the Bharati, means Bharat Hub for Agri-Tech Resilience, Advancement and Incubation of Export Enablement. Initiated to boost India's agri-food export by supporting 100 agri-food startups, fostering innovation and aiming for $50 billion in export by 2030. The video is available on Icon. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga or Ganga of South? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.